Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorials. We are looking at the fold command today. It's a simple tool that helps format text by wrapping long lines, which is great for log files, code and other text processing. We will cover its key options and real world use cases, all demonstrated on Rocky Linux. Let's get started. Let's see the manual page for fold command. Fold command is used to wrap long lines of text at a specified width. By default, it breaks lines at 80 characters, but you can customize this based on your needs. It's especially useful for the system administrator and a developer dealing with large text, logs, or script output. These are the options. -B for bytes, count the bytes rather than the columns. -C for characters, count characters rather than the columns. -S, break at spaces, and -W, use width columns instead of 80. So let's see the example. By default, it wraps the text at 80 characters, ensuring better readability in the terminal and script. For real world use case, the key option is setting a custom line width -W or -width. Sometimes 80 character might not be the best fit. You can specify a custom width using -W. For example, let's assume that we'll use sudo where log messages fold -W 50. We need to provide the sudo password. This ensures that no lines exceed 50 characters, making a logs easier to read without horizontal scrolling. So next is breaking the lines only at spaces. By default, fold wraps the lines at the exact character limit, even in the middle of the words. The -S option ensures that it only breaks at spaces, keeping words intact. Let's see the another example. So without -S, words may be cut abruptly, making the text harder to read. With -S, the line breaks happen only at the spaces, keeping the text naturally. So I will run this once again without -S. You can see here it breaks the word YOUR, but here it breaks the line at spaces. These are the two differences. Processing the large text files. If you're dealing with the large text files, you can use fold to format them before further processing. Preparing a text file for fixed width output. Let's see the example. So here you can see this ensures that the output file has the lines no longer than 60 characters, useful for fixed width format like database imports. So let's understand the output. The output of fold is straightforward. It simply breaks the long lines into smaller chunks based on the specified width. When used with -S, the output is even cleaner, ensuring the words remain intact. Let's see the example. This is the example. You can see the output. Linux is powerful. The powerful P is on the other line and the remaining words on other line because we have mentioned the 10 here. So how it counts 10? 1, Linux will be the 5, space it will count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to overcome this issue, what we can do, we can just add -S. So here you can see the output is very clean and ensure words remain intact. And that's it for the tutorial. We explored how the fold command can help format text efficiently in Rocky Linux. Whether you are dealing with the log files, system messages, or text processing, fold ensures your output is readable and well structured. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such Linux tutorials. Check out our other videos for more system administrator tutorials. See you in the next tutorial and thanks for watching.